Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. If you are new, please click on the subscribe button. Today we are going to see a quick review about the Kiro Foundation and the Kiro Compact. So I wanted to try these products for a long time. I've seen influencers talking how good this foundation is. I got these products from the Kiro website, so there was an offer to buy any two products for 1299. So I got this Kiro Foundation and the Kiro Compact. So you get it in Nika for 760 the foundation and 840 for the compact. The prices may vary. So this is the Kiro Daily Dewy Serum Foundation. It's got hyaluronic acid, vitamin C and niacinamide, and the packaging also looks really great. And this is of shade Almond Beige. It goes well with a medium to dusky skin tone. And this is the Kiro Botanica Timeless Matte Compact, and this is of shade Honey Tan. So let's start with the foundation. So this is how the shade looks on my hand. This is Almond Beige, and I will swatch it on my face. And this is how the shade looks. I will apply it all over my face and I'm going to use a very little quantity, not much. I'm looking for a light to medium coverage and not a heavy coverage. So let me apply it all over my face, and I will blend it with this blending brush, the foundation blending brush. This is from Swiss Beauty. So as you can see, this product is actually blending in really well with this brush. You can also use a makeup sponge to blend the products. And the shade also actually looks good on me for my skin tone. So I use NC42 in MAC, and I think this shade really goes well for my skin. Now I'm using this wet makeup sponge just to blend in the foundation into my face. It is actually non-sticky, as you can see. Now let's try the Kiro Compact. So this is a matte compact, and this is how the shade looks. I'll be using this powder fluffy brush. Again, this is from Swiss Beauty, to apply the product over my face. Again, I'm taking a very little quantity and I will apply it all over my face. This compact is also very lightweight. It doesn't really give you a heavy coverage, and it gives you a really good matte finish. I like the finish of the product, be it the foundation and the compact. So I have used a very little foundation, as I mentioned. It is good for an everyday use. If you want a heavy coverage, you can definitely use more product, and I think it will really give you a good result. So these are the products from Kiro, the Kiro Foundation and the Kiro Compact. So I like these products, and it is worth the amount you pay for it. So I hope you like this video. If you like the video, please click on like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for watching, and have a great day ahead.